In this video, we're cleaning a pet spot at the top of stairs. This spot we know is dog urine, and we'll be treating it with a peroxide-based pet treatment. Once the area has been vacuumed, we mix up our pet treatment and pour it directly on the spot. We want to make sure we pour enough on the spot to get down to the bottom of the carpet so it can work at the urine. We also want to make sure that we treat out a little further than the visual perimeter of the spot because it's likely the urine is spread out further at the bottom of the carpet. Our next step is to agitate the treated area to ensure that the pet treatment is worked into the carpet and covers the entire surface area that it needs to treat. We'll let the treatment sit for anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on the spot, so that it can work at destroying the odor-causing bacteria and remove the discoloration from the carpet. The last step of our carpet cleaning process is to hot water extract with the neutral rinse. We use our carpet wand to spray hot water mixed with a carpet cleaning agent directly onto the area while simultaneously extracting the pet treatment and contaminants from the area.